Hi everybody. How do you find air leakage if your tire is losing air? It is very simple. Prepare some soap and water and watch where the bubbles are coming out. At first I'm going to take out this nail. Using this tire repair kit, I'm going to try to fix the tire. This repair kit has user directions behind, so I'm going to follow the directions and the pictures to fix the tire. This is the rubber solution, comes with the repair kit, so I am following the instructions. Now I'm going to insert this reamer to the hole where the leakage is. It's not an easy job. Now, as you can see, the half of repair patch is already in the tire. I'm going to take out this insertion tool, and the tool is out. Now I'm going to inflate the tire and see if the leakage is fixed. I have inflated the tire, and now I am checking if there are any air bubbles coming. Now I'm going to cut the excess material. And this is the final look of the repaired tire.